Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you encounter Windows could not automatically detect network proxy settings, then watch this video for the solution. Now the first thing we need to know is if you are using a public network like a library, a school or a workplace network, then we need to contact the system administrator. So these public networks usually have a system administrator and they will be better able to identify the specific issue which is causing this error. Now if you're not and if you're using a private network like at home, then what you need to do is check whether the proxy server is connected or not. For that, we'll right click on the start button, go to settings, look for network and internet, and we'll click on proxy. And then we'll make sure that the proxy server is off. It is not. If it is set up somewhere else, then you need to make sure it is off. And you can switch on automatically detect settings. It was already kept switched on. If not, then keep it in the off position. Now the next thing we can do is run the network and adapter network troubleshooter. So for that, we'll right click on this start bar, go to settings, and then we will look for system, troubleshoot, other troubleshooters, and here on the network and internet connection troubleshooter, we will hit the run button. And then after that, if it still doesn't work, after that we need to reset and reboot the modem and we need to reboot the computer. So what you need to do is you need to switch off your modem, and before you switch off your modem you need to press the reset button that is usually located at the back of the modem. Keep it pressed for 10 seconds, and then after it is reset, then you disconnect the power socket of the modem, and after that you switch off the computer. Now after around 30 seconds, switch on the power to the modem and then start your PC. Now it should start working. If it doesn't, then we can go to the next step, and that is we need to press the Windows and the R key together and look and enter the line ncpa.cpl and hit enter. Now in Wi-Fi, we'll right click on it on the active Wi-Fi connection, go to properties, and then we will look for the internet protocol version we are using. Here it's internet protocol version 4, and then we need to make sure that the obtain DNS server address automatically is in this position and obtain an IP address automatically is in this button. So we need to make sure these two buttons are checked. Click on OK, OK, and then we should check if we get this error message or not. If we get this error message still, then maybe there's a problem with the network drivers. So we will update that. Go to device manager, and then we will look for network adapters. Okay, here it is. And then right click on the wireless LAN card and click on update driver and search automatically for drivers. If that doesn't work, then we can also try reinstalling it. So right click on it, click on uninstall device, uninstall again, and then click on network adapters, click on action and click on scan for hardware changes. Now the next thing to do is to temporarily disable the firewall and the antivirus to see if they are causing the problem. So we will look for firewall. Here it is. And we will go to Defender firewall on and off, and we will click on turn off. Now, if you're using a third party malware like Malwarebytes, then you need to disable that protection. So keep it switched off, but remember to switch it on back again, because firewall keeps malware from entering into your system, and also do the same for the antivirus. So go to virus and threat protection settings, or if you're using a third party app like AVG or Kaspersky, go to that and then go to the settings and then switch off the real-time protection. Now once you do that, access the internet again and make sure that you do not get this message that Windows could not automatically detect network proxy. If you're still getting the message, then it could be that there's a malware issue with your computer. So for that we need to look for virus and threat protection settings, or any third-party app you're using, open that and go to scan options, click on full scan, and then click on scan now. Now, once that is done, we will do a network reset. Right click on the start button, go to settings, and then click on system. Look for, or you can click on network and internet, click on advanced network settings, and then click on network reset and click on reset now. And this should solve your issue with the message that you're getting that Windows could not automatically detect network proxy. And if all of these steps don't work, which is very rare, I think the last step you can do is to do a system restore. So we will restore the system to a point where it was working properly and where this message was not popping up. So go to recovery, open system restore, and then we'll click on next and click on finish. And this should solve the issue. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.